May I have your attention, please?
I'm Engine Cadet Jess Logrunyo.
Inyo Cadet Jason Pangi. I'm Cadet Jonas Nidias.
I'm Engine Cadet Francisco.
Speed and temperature, conditional concept across math, science, and technology. The important understanding energy transfer, thermodynamics, and the behavior of materials. For example, how we cook our meals and dress for the weather. They perform our electronic devices and they comfort our indoor environments based on impact, heat, and temperature on our daily lives.
Kinematics is the study of mechanical points of motion, bodies, and systems. Without consideration of their associated physical properties and the forces acting of them. That study is often referred to as the geometry of motion, and it's modeled this motion mathematically using algebra. Describing the motion of motorcycle moving on a track of an stone falling from the building, but only terms of the object position, velocity, and acceleration, and the time without describing the force of the engine of the motorcycle, the friction between tires and the track, or the gravity pulling.
So let's talk about work, energy, and power. So work. Work is an energy transfer that moves one body to another, the application of force that moves one body in the same direction. For example, when you pick up steel, there's a certain force applied, but still it's not work. But when you start to carry it, you move forward, therefore there is work done. Because work is done, there's a certain force applied to a certain object that moves in the same direction. So energy. Energy is the ability to do work. In order to do work, it needs a certain amount of energy or force. For example, like the solar panels. The solar panels absorb the heat energy from the sun and convert it to electricity. Power. Power is defined as the rate of doing work. For example, this ceiling fan. In order for it to be functionable, it needs a certain amount of force, the application of electricity.
Fluid static is the study of fluid and the force acting on them when they are not in motion. Consider the experience of swimming. When you dive into the water, you immediately feel the force of the water pushing your body to the top. This increased pressure you feel is due to weight, hydrostatic pressure, or E equation. P equals P0 plus PGH.
What is force and motion? Force and motion is a fundamental concept in physics that describe how force affects motion of the object. Force is a push or pull exerted on an object causing it accelerate or change its velocity. This relation is described by Newton's law of motion, which states that an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by a net external force that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional its mass. Enhanced force causes change in motion such as speeding or slowing down or changing direction.
you.